Look no further than the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety, the Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, 6-speed AT, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.